For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a small barbecue business can be a rewarding venture, combining a passion for great food with entrepreneurial spirit. In today's digital age, free AI tools can streamline many steps, from business planning and marketing to recipe development and customer engagement. This guide will walk you through the process of launching a small barbecue business, leveraging free AI tools to help make your journey efficient and effective. Step 1. Define your barbecue business concept. Before you start, clarify what kind of barbecue business you want to create. Will it be a food truck, a catering service, a small restaurant, or a pop-up stand? What style of barbecue will you specialize in? Texas, Carolina, Kansas City, or a fusion? Use AI tools like ChatGPT to help brainstorm ideas and refine your concept. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Help me develop a unique barbecue business concept including style, target customers, and service format." This will give you a solid foundation and clear direction for your business. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your local market is essential. Use free AI-powered research tools like Google Trends and ChatGPT to analyze barbecue demand in your area, competition, and customer preferences. Ask ChatGPT, what are the current barbecue trends and popular customer preferences in your city/region? And how competitive is the barbecue market in your location? Additionally, explore Google Trends to see what barbecue-related terms are popular. This research will guide your menu choices, pricing, and marketing. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan outlines your vision, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan quickly. Input a prompt like, "Generate a detailed business plan for a small barbecue food truck targeting families and office workers in your city." Include sections on market analysis, operations, marketing, and finances. After generating a draft, customize it with your specific goals, budget, and local regulations. AI tools like Canva can help you create a professional-looking document to present to investors or lenders if needed. Step 4. Develop your menu and recipes. Your barbecue recipes will define your brand's taste and quality. Use AI tools to inspire menu ideas or optimize recipes. ChatGPT can help with prompts such as, "Suggest a barbecue menu with traditional and unique dishes that appeal to a diverse audience." For recipe tweaking, ask, "How can I enhance the flavor and presentation of pulled pork barbecue for a food truck?" AI can suggest spices, cooking techniques, and complementary side dishes. You can also generate enticing dish descriptions using AI for your menu design. Step 5. Plan your finances and budget. Estimating costs accurately is vital for sustainability. Use AI spreadsheet assistants like Google Sheets Explore feature or ChatGPT to build financial models. Prompt ChatGPT, "Create a basic financial budget for a small barbecue catering business including equipment, ingredients, permits, and marketing expenses." Track your estimated startup costs, monthly expenses, and projected revenues. This will help you determine your pricing strategy and identify funding needs. Step 6. Register your business and get permits. Check your local government's requirements for food businesses, licenses, and health permits. Although AI can't replace official legal advice, you can use ChatGPT to understand the general process. Try. Explain the steps and permits required to start a barbecue food truck business in your state or city. This will prepare you for conversations with authorities and help avoid surprises during registration. Step 7. Build your brand identity. Your brand identity includes your business name, logo, colors, and overall vibe. Use AI design tools like Canva, free version, which offers templates and easy drag-and-drop features to create logos and branding materials. ChatGPT can help brainstorm catchy business names or slogans by prompting. Generate creative and catchy barbecue business names suitable for a family-friendly food truck. Combine this with Canva to create your visual identity that reflects your barbecue style and target audience. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan. Marketing is key to attracting customers. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan by asking, create a marketing plan for a small barbecue food truck, including social media, local events, and promotions. This plan can include ideas for social media posts, email campaigns, collaborations with local businesses, and customer loyalty programs. Free AI tools like Buffer or Later can help you schedule and automate your social media posts, saving time and ensuring consistency. Step 9. Set up your online presence. An online presence is crucial for visibility and customer engagement. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress with AI-assisted design features to quickly launch a professional website. Ask ChatGPT, help me write website content for a small barbecue catering business, including an About Us page, menu descriptions, and contact info. Additionally, set up Google My Business and social media profiles like Instagram and Facebook to attract local customers and gather reviews. Step 10. Prepare for launch and operations. Train yourself or your team in food preparation, safety, and customer service. Use AI-powered training resources or YouTube tutorials enhanced by ChatGPT summaries for quick learning. For example, ask ChatGPT, summarize key food safety tips for a small barbecue catering business. Create checklists and standard operating procedures using AI to ensure smooth daily operations. When ready, plan a launch event or offer opening promotions, using AI tools to craft compelling announcements. Step 11. Monitor, analyze, and adapt. After launching, continuously gather customer feedback and analyze sales data to improve your business. Use AI tools like Google Analytics for your website and social media insights to track engagement. ChatGPT can help interpret data trends if you prompt. Analyze this sales data from my barbecue food truck and suggest ways to increase revenue. Adjust your menu, marketing, and operations based on real-world feedback to grow sustainably. Conclusion. Starting a small barbecue business is an exciting journey that combines creativity, business acumen, and community connection. By harnessing free AI tools throughout the process, from concept development and market research to branding and ongoing management, you can save time, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions. With dedication and the right AI-assisted strategies, your small barbecue business can carve out its own delicious niche and thrive in the competitive food scene. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.